Chinmayi. Today I'm going to be sharing with you two natural ways of removing suntan from your ingredients in your kitchen. Alright, let me take you right in. Alright, the first thing that I've been telling a lot of people, I'm sure at least 1,000 people on my Instagram DMs, is if you want to lighten your suntan at home and naturally, rice water and milk. A lot of people did ask me, is it boiled milk or unboiled milk? I didn't think about that. I use it either way, but I presume unboiled milk might work better. So ideally, soak rice flour that you can actually buy it from any store, or if you want to make your own rice flour, just take some rice, beat it in the mixie, and then just let it soak in the milk for a little while. And once it softens up, you can just apply it onto your hands, on your face, on your neck. Basically, you can use it all over the body. It's a great scrub as well. And this will immediately lighten your suntan. This is something that you can even do on a daily basis. But if you have sensitive skin, please take care not to keep scrubbing your face as if you were using a sandpaper on your face. Okay, remember that. So especially if it's for your hands and your legs, you could even do this every day and bathe. That is my remedy number one. The second suggestion that I have for you is if you're looking at evening out your skin tone naturally and at home, and also lighten suntan, is to make a paste of milk powder, lemon juice and some honey. So make a paste which is not too runny so that it's not a mess while you're applying it. And once you've applied the paste, you could also perhaps just wet a couple of cotton pads in rose water and just place it on your face and let it dry out naturally, and then you can wash it off. This is also something that you could do on a daily basis before you bathe if you have about 15-20 minutes of time, and it's milk powder, so it's reasonably inexpensive. Can you do it with milk? Perhaps, but it's going to be way too runny, because I think the milk powder is what is going to be giving that sort of a pasty consistency to this face pack. So these are the two things that I'm going to be suggesting for you as long as suntan is concerned. If you are actually trying to cool down your skin, especially after a long day of sun exposure, and even after you've used sunscreen, my suggestion would be to actually take aloe vera gel from a plant, not store-bought ones. Scrape the gel off the leaf, I presume, that leafy portion. Beat it in a mixie. Leave it in the refrigerator for a little while and then apply it on your face. And because it's aloe vera gel, you can also store it in the refrigerator for a few days and stuff like that. And this is something that I have followed for a little while, and considering it's summer, this is something that might actually help you through this time. My third suggestion to naturally lighten a tan at home is to make a mixture of sandalwood powder and milk. If you actually have a piece of sandalwood at home, please grind it with milk instead of water, and this really works well, but it will make your face look really pale and slightly washed out. So if you're okay with that, you could try that. Don't do it too much though, because the few times that I have used it, some people have asked me why my face looks slightly unnaturally pale, right? So that's the point. Another thing you could do is get aloe vera gel from a plant. Beat it in the mixie and leave it in the refrigerator. And if you've been out in the sun for a really long time, and if you want to naturally heal and soothe your skin from this prolonged sun exposure, and especially the heat, use this aloe vera gel on your face, on your body, and you could bathe up that. You could take a shower. Another pack that you could do with this aloe vera gel is to aloe vera gel, some lime juice. If you could also mix some papaya paste into it. You could grind some papaya fruit, add it into that, and so papaya fruit, aloe vera gel, some sandalwood paste, some lemon juice, mix it all together, and then you could apply this onto your face. If you want a little bit of mass to this sort of a face pack, you could always add some chickpea flour, which is gram flour, or even rice flour works. So try this out and let me know if this works for you, because it has worked for me and it's very easily accessible. This is stuff that's available in our kitchen. So I hope you're happy, and take care of yourself, love yourself, and be happy and be proud to love yourself, in my opinion. Until I see you in my next video, this is